I'm not sure whether you'll appreciate this, but this is what happens when you go into full-blown workshop reorganisation. It becomes a bomb site. Yeah, what you need is a second workshop to organise the first workshop, and then it might all work, but at the moment it's a bomb site. So I'm in the process of doing this, hence the lack of videos while I'm getting better. I'm actually a lot better than I was. So yes, it's not good, but we're getting there. That's the bonus. Yeah, now what we're going to do, we're going to hobble outside and I will show you what happens when you leave an aquaponics system for 4 months. I'm growing some perfect grass, margrass, couch grass, weed, strawberry. Ooh, you can't see it. Strawberry. Margrass, strawberry runner, margrass, grass, grass, weed, weed, weed. Mess. Broken. I think we had a fox run on it. Yeah, same with this one. Oh, that's water mint. Yeah, that will pick itself up once the weather cheers up. Margrass. Moss. I think I've got fish in the beds again as well. Nothing. Not even pulled the tomatoes out from last year. Bad person. I grew that stick. Yes, it's obviously planted. Get rid of it while I'm here. Yeah. This is all mints, and believe it or not, they're all doing quite well. It is winter though, so yeah. And they're all running down the overflow. Snap that bit off and plant it. Look at that, that's a lovely plant. Let's stick it in there and see how it does. There we go. There we go. One unplanted mint. Either grow or it won't. So yeah, that's what happens to an aquaponics system when you spend quite a while not looking after it. Yeah, they get very, very messy. Especially when they're under a tree, and I'm being attacked by branches every other week at the moment because it's that time, dropping branches time. So yes, it's a big mess. I will get back to it. On the bright side, clean bed aside one carrot that I left all the seeds on. See what happens there. That one's not got enough soil in it yet. That is a water reservoir at the bottom, and I'm going to fill it relatively high with soil and plant silly things in it. And that's fish, and well, at the moment it's actually looking pretty murky, but they're all still asleep and there's snow and cold weather on the way. So yeah, he's getting there. On the bright side, bamboos are doing fab. Loads of snow, loads of water. Yeah, that one is going to be taken apart. The wife doesn't like it. It's in the wrong place. It's going to be stripped, collapsed, burnt, trashed. See what I can do with any of the leftover wood, and we'll see. But yeah, that's going. So that means most of this junk here will go at the same time. Bits of wood that don't work for anything. That one's going through the shredder because that stuff's brilliant through the shredder. Plastic's got to be lifted this year. Yeah, just bits and pieces to do, but It's been a long, horrible end of last year and this year. Look, I've even got branches thrown at me over here. It's not even within the reach of the tree. So, yeah. But the fish are coming. Koi are getting huge. If that silver one will come up, I'll show you. Come on. Hey, doggy. Oh, wait, it's not a dog. There he is. Oh no, that don't show. That don't show at all. Plant's coming up in there though. There he is. Huge koi. Well, not huge, but big enough to make me think, wow. Here they all come, look. Oh, I'm shaking again. I think I'm going to give them food. Right, that's enough for now, otherwise I won't be able to upload it. Ta-da!